Today I'll show you how to unlink Gmail from Zoho CRM. If you've connected your Gmail account before for email syncing or tracking, but now you want to disconnect it, maybe because you're switching accounts or just cleaning things up, this walkthrough will take you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho CRM website by typing in the main CRM address. Sign in with your usual credentials if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're logging into the correct Zoho account, especially if you manage multiple profiles so you don't accidentally change the wrong setup. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where most of your configuration options live. Click on that gear icon to open the settings area. It may take a second to load, depending on your connection, so just wait for the full settings page to appear before continuing. On the settings page, look for the section related to email. The exact layout can shift slightly as Zoho updates its interface, but you should see an email option, often under a broader category like channels, communication, or similar. When you find it, click on email. This takes you into Zoho CRM's email configuration area, where all your mail-related integrations and settings are managed. Inside this email section, you may see multiple tabs or options, but you want the area that specifically deals with email configuration or integrations. If you see another email option that clearly refers to configuration, go ahead and click that as well. The idea is to drill down until you're viewing the list of email services connected to your Zoho CRM account. Within this configuration view, you should see Gmail listed as one of the connected services. There may be other providers or accounts listed, especially if your organization uses different mailboxes. Locate the Gmail section carefully so you don't change settings for the wrong service. Once you've found the Gmail integration, scroll down within that area to see all the available options and details. Sometimes the deactivate or disconnect controls are a little lower on the page, so don't worry if you don't see them immediately at the top. As you scroll, look for a button or link labeled Deactivate. This is the control that will unlink your Gmail account from Zoho CRM. Before you click it, keep in mind that deactivating will stop any further syncing or tracking between this Gmail account and your CRM. Existing emails that have already been logged in Zoho will typically remain as records, but new emails will no longer be pulled in once it's deactivated. When you're ready, click Deactivate. You may see a confirmation message asking you to verify that you really want to disconnect Gmail. If that appears, confirm your choice. After a moment, the status for Gmail should change, showing that the connection is no longer active. At this point, your Gmail account has been successfully unlinked from Zoho CRM. You can stay on this page to review other email settings or simply close the tab if you're done. If you ever need to reconnect Gmail, you can return to this same email settings area and set it up again.